Hello creative people, welcome back to a brand new Photoshop tutorial by Mr. Abdi. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert a low quality photo into a high quality photo using Adobe Photoshop CC. We cannot get the same high quality image taken with a high resolution camera, but although we can try to make it better than the low quality photo. So let's get started.
First, drag your photo in Photoshop. After zooming in, you will see the broken pixels. We are going to remove these pixels, and make the photo smooth. Go to Image, and Image Size. Make the resolution 300 pixels per inch. Change the height size into a bigger size. The width will automatically change. Now you will see that our image is converted into a bigger size. Now the image look more smooth than before. But we will have to make it more smooth. So go to Filter, Noise, and Reduce Noise. Adjust as your image quality, until you get the perfect smoothness. Now go to Filter, Sharpen, and Unsharp Mask. Now duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Or drag it down to make a copy of it. Now go to Filter, Blur, and Surface Blur. Surface Blur will help you to make your image look more smooth. So apply it as much as your photo need. Do not apply more blur, otherwise your image will not be visible. Activate the top layer. Go to Filter, Other and High Pass. Now change the layer style into overlay. After all the steps are done, you will see that the image is looking more smooth than the low quality of it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give a thumbs up to my video, also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you next time, till then take care and have fun.